Hi everyone, welcome back to Craftiviti. Today we are super excited to introduce you to our newest crafty kit, the Natural Lotion Making Kit.
Didn't you just release the Crystal Scent Stone kit?
Yes, we did, and this is a newer one. If you ever wanted to make lotion on your own, simple, natural and customized, this kit make it very easy. And the best part is you get a fresh 100 ml lotion in less than 30 minutes. Let's unbox it and get started. What's amazing about this kit is that it simplifies the lotion making process. The CP lotion is formulated for cold process use, meaning you don't need to heat water and oil separately, making it easier and faster. Also, you have control in whatever goes into your lotion. Simple base oil, natural fragrance, and preservatives. So it's more transparent than many store-bought lotions. Homemade lotion also helps you avoid unnecessary fillers or irritants. Alright, let's make the lotion together. And that's it! From opening the kit to filling in the lotion bottle, it took me around 25 minutes. That's under 30 minutes. Look at that, smooth, creamy and non-greasy. It absorbs nicely. The smell is light and natural thanks to the essential oils. My skin feels soft and hydrated right away with the comfort of knowing exactly what's in your lotion. Here are a few tips and cautions for you to take. Make sure your mixing containers and tools are very clean and sterilized because you are mixing water, oil and preservatives. Cleanliness helps to avoid contamination. Do a patch test first if you have sensitive skin, especially with the essential oil. Natural doesn't always mean harmless. So if you love DIY skincare or you want to customize your own lotion, then this kit is perfect for you. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below what is your favorite essential oil blend that you would like to add into your lotion. Stay safe crafting. See you in the next one.